One day you'll realize it wasn't the wrong choices that hurt you, it was all the choices you were too scared to make. Because sometimes doing nothing is the biggest mistake of all. Think about the last time you had to make a big decision. Maybe it was choosing a career path, starting a YouTube channel, texting someone first, or even something simple like picking what to study. You didn't just think about it once, you thought about it again and again. You asked people, you watched videos, you made pros and cons lists, and still you felt stuck. That heavy feeling in your chest, that's not laziness, that's the fear of choosing wrong. And in this video, we're going to break down why this fear freezes you, how it secretly controls your life, and how you can finally escape it. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. Humans are terrible at making decisions when there are too many options. There's a famous study from Columbia University. Researchers put a table in a supermarket. One day they displayed 6 types of jam. Another day they displayed 24 types. Guess what happened? More people stopped at the table with 24 jams, but 10 times more people actually bought jam when there were only 6 options. Too many choices didn't help people, it paralyzed them. This happens in real life all the time. You scroll through Netflix for 40 minutes and end up watching nothing. You want to start something new, but you keep thinking, what if I pick the wrong thing? Your brain starts imagining worst-case scenarios. What if I fail? What if people laugh? What if I waste time? So instead of risking a wrong move, you choose the safest option, doing nothing. And that's where the real problem begins. Because not choosing feels safe in the moment, but it slowly steals your life. Think about it like standing at a train station. There are many trains going to different cities. You're scared of boarding the wrong one, so you keep waiting and waiting and waiting. Hours pass. Eventually, every train leaves. Now, you didn't go to the wrong place, but you didn't go anywhere at all. This fear comes from something called loss aversion. Psychologists found that losing something hurts about twice as much as gaining something feels good. So your brain tries to protect you by avoiding any possible loss. It whispers, don't risk it, stay safe. But what it doesn't tell you is this: staying safe also has a cost. The cost is missed chances. The cost is never knowing what could have happened. The cost is watching others move forward while you stay stuck. Here's the twist though. The most successful people aren't the ones who always choose right. They're the ones who choose fast and adjust later. Jeff Bezos once said, most decisions are not one-way doors. They are two-way doors. Meaning you can walk in and if it doesn't work, you can walk back out. But fear tricks you into thinking every decision is permanent. It makes choosing a college feel like choosing your entire life. It makes posting one video feel like risking your reputation forever. It makes small steps look like huge, scary cliffs. In reality, most choices are just experiments. Think of life like a video game. You don't stand at level 1 forever trying to pick the perfect first move. You press start, you try something, you fail, you learn, you try again. Progress doesn't come from perfect decisions, it comes from motion. And here's the key moment you need to understand. There is no such thing as the perfect choice. Every option closes some doors and opens others. Even the right decisions come with problems. The goal isn't to choose perfectly. The goal is to choose bravely. Because confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after action. The more decisions you make, the stronger your mind becomes. You stop seeing choices as threats. You start seeing them as tools. And suddenly, that heavy fear that once froze you starts to fade. So if you feel stuck right now, remember this simple rule. A good decision made today is better than a perfect decision made someday. Your life doesn't change when you think more. It changes when you move more. And years from now, you won't regret the choices that didn't work. You'll regret the chances you never took. So stop waiting for certainty. It never arrives. Start moving even if it feels messy, because action creates clarity, not the other way around.